Hello, and welcome to yet another stream of Tempus Chronicle development. So, what I'm doing now is working on the enemies' animations when they get hit and hopefully when they die as well. Hilly sends his regards with a cat face emoticon. So that's all well and good. Let's see. Put OBS up on here. That's fine. SM player on. Good. Right, unfortunately, because working with animations is a bit of a bugbear of mine. Also, it's broken the fade out thing, so that's something. So yeah, we need to work out the work out this bug first, and then we can work about something. Also, you see these little lightning bolts there. That's kind of what I'm planning on. So this fade out behavior can be chucked out. Don't need it, and we might as well remove it from the prefab as well. Because I think that's what's causing the blockage. I think. No, it's not. It's this results screen being disabled for some bloody reason. Ah, yeah, that's why. Right. So we have all our animations. We have one for reset, normal thing, taking damage, slash horizontal, slash vertical. These are the type of damage that they take. Then it goes into another reset where the damage effects just disables itself. Then we have a damage flash where the entity flashes. So if I were to... You can't live preview the states, unfortunately. So first of all, we play reset, which does that. Then let's say we take some horizontal damage, play that, slash horizontal, that thing plays. Yeah, this thing just plays thing normally. Then it resets again, making this thing go, and then if it does die, it does that fade out. So we can remove the eye fade out behavior because it's no longer there, it's no longer required, but we've got all of our we've got most of, I'd say, yeah, we've got all of the things. So let's set these to their default values. So this should be, oh yeah, I've also imported some, not this, effects icons from Open Game Art. So now we just need to hook up the animator in our display. So just need to make sure that the animator is on. That's right. And then an entity battle view. Private animator damage animation animator. Private, no, it's not private. Public void play damage animation, and this will be damage type. Damage type. We switch on damage type. Damage type dot none. Just do nothing. Slash damage animation dot set trigger slash horizontal. We'll do the same for pierce and blunt. To do find pierce damage animation. To do find blunt damage animation. Fire I haven't implemented water and, well, I have implemented air, but I haven't implemented water or earth. Nor have I implemented psychic or almighty. So these will result in errors because you can't find a trigger with that name. Okay, that'll do. No, I want to use the vertical animation. I think it looks better. There we go. Slash vert, fire, water, air, earth, psychic, almighty, yeah. This battle effect animation was an old thing, so we don't want to play that. Maybe no. So in Battlelands PTV, play damage animation, and then also public void queue def animation. Damage animation dot set bool is dead to true. And then in entity presenter, we'll need to, when we take damage on it, then yeah. If this thing has a damage, which I don't think it does. Oh yes, it does. But it doesn't have any references, but that's because all of this stuff happens in the thing. Right. Resource change doesn't have any references either. Right, how am I going to do this? Public, no. Model dot on take damage taken. Add listener. On damage taken. Then on this active state changed here, else view dot QDef animation. And this needs to be put in entity view. Yeah, I think we need to get rid of this battle entity view. Right, set transparent, that's fine. And instead of set transparent, it'd be, yeah, QDef animation. On resource changed. Yeah, that's probably going to be that. And then entity model. Hang on. Private void on damage taken. Damage type, damage. View dot on play damage animation with damage, which means that we just add a property to the model, put it with the rest of the Unity events. Unity event damage type equals new Unity event, and then on damage taken dot invoke damage type. And then we can just add damage type here. And there we are. Hopefully that will solve it. At least on the enemy's side. The players need to have their thing put in. Right. The animator will be the damage animation on here. Same field name is serialized multiple times in the same field base class animate. No, it isn't. I cut it out. Oh. Must have been a mid-save thing. Right, let's see if this works. Okay, it does work, but it's I want the animation to play and then the action selection to go. Also, these are playing way too slowly. So we set these speeds to 1. Let's see how it is now. Still too slow. Douche, 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 douche. All these speeds to 2. How about this? That's better. Although the thing should pause, because if I do that, well, no, it's giving me an error because I haven't implemented it on the player yet. You see, it just... Well, let's put one of the players first. Or actually, what I could do is... Here we go, view play damage animation. If damage animation is not null, then do all this. Same with this. If damage animation is not null, then do that. That stops the error from putting it on the player. However, I don't want the player's thing to fade out when it dies. It needs to stay as is. So the players are probably... Let's see how it is now. See, now it's... You see, the animations are queued. So... And the fade out doesn't happen because the... This has more of a delay time, so I put the delay time to 2, just so that there's more time for the the enemy's death animation to play. Why does this happen? Why am I facing the wrong way? Yeah. And then I'm facing that way, and then the thing's been set to red for some reason. That's the reset animation. I need to fix that. Okay. Yeah, you can see it's setting the colors alpha. It's setting the colors alpha to this. When really it should be set to full white. No, that's not what's happening. What's happening is that the view is being set to show, which is not this show, but where are you? Battle entity view. No, entity view. This show is being called, but the camera's group's alpha. Oh. behavior.reset animation. That's the fade out behavior, but the fade out behavior then no longer exists. So battle sprite enabled equals true. Famous group alpha is that. That's the cameras group's alpha, not the image's alpha, which means that something's setting the alpha to 1, but not the actual color itself. Let me check. Okay. Fucking know where my bloody keys are. But now it's fine. Hang on. Enemy display 1. It's in the reset state. No, it's not. Oh. Then why is it fading red? Hang on. I think I know why. If I make a transition from any state here. Can I have the animation screen to... Yeah, just stick that there for now. Right, any state to reset. And then if I make a trigger called reset. Any state from conditions reset trigger. That puts it, that should forcibly put it in the reset thing. But then on show, if damage animation, damage animation dot set trigger, set bool to is dead false. Set trigger to reset. Let's see how that works. Okay. But dead. So it goes into that animation. Still facing the wrong way. See, it's going red. It somehow thinks that the it's firing off all of its animations at once. So what the hell's going on? And why is it only happening on the second one? Because on this, I'm setting the animation set ball is dead to false. Wait, hang on. Is this thing getting pulled? Hello, can I? Okay, fine, stop. Debugging. Okay. Stop debug. this, stop debugging. Oh great, it's bloody frozen again. Yes, stop now, don't care. There we go, right. Attach to Unity and play. Okay, so the show doesn't get called for some reason. We're one step closer to working this out. Yeah, the show just doesn't get called. Which is really weird, because you think it would be. If damage animation is not null, then do that. But of course, the damage animation isn't null on this. But for some reason, the dead animation isn't going. So why is it fading out? Unless I put reset to have it in red. But that can't be right. Because then it would be in red anyway. So let's check these. Slash vertical, slash horizontal, fire, air, reset, damage flash. The only way it could possibly be playing this death fade out is after damage flash. Play reset, that's nothing. Death fade out, yeah. Okay. On there. Slash vertical. So why is it fading out on damage flash? There's got to be something I'm missing. No, it's because this show isn't being called. On active state changed for each show, but the active state isn't changing? What's the other one? Set entity in battle. Okay, that's that, but then for some reason it thinks the damage animation is being null when it isn't. Unless the damage animation is somehow being set to null before. Yeah, okay, yeah, we're showing. Okay, yes. If damage animation is not null, which is true, then set boot. Okay. Why are they being queued? Okay, so that fades out normally. Then when we... If damage animation, set bool is dead to false, set trigger reset, then do that. It's like the death animation's being queued. What the fuck is going on? Is dead is true. Is dead is false. But is dead is always false. So the dead animation should not be playing. But it is. And not only is it playing, it's also playing simultaneously with others. It's playing simultaneously with the damage flash and everything else, which is causing all this ridiculous behaviour. So, I don't know. All the transitions are pointing the right way. Play the reset animation. Yeah. Reset's fine. It looks like that. It should set it to that. Fire gets played anyway, then it gets reset. Like that. Death fade out. How do I disable looping mode when you're playing stuff back? Looping mode. No, that's not right. Then reset. It's not even on separate layers. It's all on one layer. So no, don't. Okay. Okay, we'll leave this. Right. Enemy display is selected. I'll go in game view. Fire. That puts the fire in. And the fucking video tube. Go away. And then we're back at reset. Slash vertical. Horizontal, that plays well, and then it goes in the loop back to the reset. And then it gets reset. By what? Because it's been set to... It's been disabled. So that should reset the animation? Okay. Defend. Okay, fire. Why is the death animation playing at the same time? Why is the death animation playing at the same time? I don't know. If I click is dead to false. True and then false. But the death animation is still playing at the same time. It's like it's created another layer, which is now playing the death animations. I know he's dead is okay. If I reset trigger, right? Fire, and it's still playing the death animations. You can see the color changing here. What the fuck is going on? Okay. Unity animator playing two animations at once. And this is just going to say, oh, how do you play two animations at once? Yeah, exactly. How to play two animations? No, I want to not play two animations at the same time. Unity, animation, out of turn. Out of ways to stop animation from the... No, I don't want it to loop. No, the def fade out does not loop. None of these loop. How to make a 180... Oh... Playing despite out of state. I don't fucking know how to phrase this. The any state to animation, the animation is playing wrong. Ensure transitions have been done. It's animation state not playing fully. Any state to animation. If you're transitioning from any state to animation, that's not... This isn't relevant. If the animation state is not playing out fully, it could be due to the transition conditions. Make sure the transition conditions are set to allow the animation to complete before transitioning to another state. You can also check if the animation is set to loop and it should not be looping. Animation state endlessly playing. These animations stuck at their end when they need to wait for a condition to be realized. You want to turn off has exit time. That makes the animation not transition before the current animation is done. Turn off has exit time. Well, we can try that. Not entirely sure why that would be a thing. Turn off has exit time. Turn off has exit time. Oh wait, that one does need an exit time. No, this one. It's the it's just the def animation that's playing wrong. Okay, enemy display. Slash vertical, reset, damage flash, reset. It's fine on here. The problem is though is that the triggers are being queued. Which kind of works. Okay. It's still happening. Why is the def animation... Turn off has exit time. So I need to turn off has exit time on this one. The one that goes from reset to dead. That is so counterintuitive. I mean, at least it's... I think it's fixed. I mean, I don't bloody know because... I don't know a damn thing about this bowl of fruit. Okay, this is fine. Okay. I want to fix that rotation bug as well. Oh no, it's it's happening again. So it's not fixed. It just whenever I change the exit time on here, it just fixes itself until this sorts, and then of course then I'll run out of enemies to try and this is annoying. Okay, dungeon, entities, enemies, this. Okay, we'll make another enemy to test on. And yeah, we're getting the whole both animations playing at once. If I make this have an exit time, it then fixes itself. Come on, hit me, hit me. Will you hit me? Hit me. Hit me, damn it. There we go. And now it's back to being fucked. We've got a Schrodinger's Boolean here. The death animate. This is ridiculous. This is just absolutely ridiculous. The only other thing I can think of is if we make another transition from here, get rid of... No, not from this. Get rid of this transition. If we get rid of this transition and make it from, oh, I don't know, any say to... No, I'm not hitting print screen, I'm hitting delete. Any state to dead. Conditions is dead true. Except now, whenever data state is true, it's going to completely ignore the slash vertical because that's how the thing's been added. Which means I'm going to have to rewrite the whole fucking thing again. Look. I don't want this to be a queue. And now it's playing dead apparently if it's looping, which is not. It's not supposed to frickin' loop. What the ever-loving fuck, it's... I don't get this. I don't get this at all. I don't get this at all. It's... It's like two separate views have been created, but one is playing the death animation, and the other's playing the damage animation. Hang on. Okay, this is fine. Okay. This is ridiculous. This is just ridiculous. Oh. Damage Flash is playing despite the third one. Okay, I'm just going to remove the dead animation. Do need to wait for the thing. Okay, sure. And then probably have the fade out behavior to handle the fading out, because this is ridiculous. Right, in damage flash, I want a animation event that fires at the start. Function, no function. It's on battle entity view. Continue battle. Yeah, alright. But it's... no. Okay. Public void continue, no, on animations finished. How about I... public Unity event animations finished. Animations finished dot invoke. Okay, do your recompilation. So I want the slash to happen and then the animation event firing. So, oh, bollocks. Damage flash, animation event. Okay, function. Clickable entity, no, battle entity, view, on our animations finished. Then entity view dot animations finished dot add listener on view animations finished, or at the very least the ones that finish until they continue the battle. and then on disconnect view, entity view, dot animation finished, remove listener, on view animations finished. You found a good co-op game. Hi, Wiley. Might be the next Dota or LOL. Oh, so it's a MOBA. Yeah, MOBAs aren't really my cup of tea. I get hella toxic on any sort of multiplayer, so yeah, I've just sworn off MOBAs for life. Shape of Dreams prologue. No, I haven't. Okay, create this. No, I haven't heard of Shape of Dreams prologue. Go on, sell me on it. Why is it the next Dota? Sorry, I'm a bit frustrated at these animations not working. It's like a mash of Diablo and MOBA, but it's PvE. Oh. Ooh. That sounds interesting. Okay, public Unity event actions performed. Except it's not the action performed because it's the target that's giving the event. It's in beta. Might have to look that up. Hang on, let me write that down. Shape of Dreams prologue. Okay. If view is not null, then something like await target dot animations finished, view animations finished. Okay, how does this work? Because we've got an incoming action, which is in Battle Manager. Await target animations. But then the target goes in and then we apply all that. Invoke. Else. Await unitask dot yield. View animations finished. Invoke. View animations finished. Okay, let's see if this works. So this should have the slash animation play and then the damage flash should be on next. Nope. Oh, what is it now? Model.incoming action, which is that, and then debug.log view animations finished. Does this thing actually get thrown? Well, not thrown, but invoked. It doesn't. Animator, right? Here's our animator. Damage flash right here. We'll do it on the first flash. No, delete animation event. Add animation event. Battle entity view. Methods. On animations finished. It's part of the prefab now, so you've got to play it. It's still not fucking firing. Oh. debug.log view animations finished. Right, so we are having... Okay, so the thing is being popped. But then this animation finished dot invoke. This thing is getting popped. Animation finished dot on view animations finished, but then we're back on here, so the... Oh, I know what's up. Yes, we're not doing this. If view is not null, then connect view listeners. Then go back into here. Okay, we'll put this connect model listeners up here. Public void connect view listeners. Okay, now let's try it. Connect view listeners does not... Now it does. Hey, there we go. Turns out I didn't need to tear my hair out that much after all. Oh, but of course when the enemies act, it doesn't happen. We're still awaiting the, whatchamacallit. Yeah, we're awaiting this. The target has their incoming action, which is on here. But the on view animations finished just isn't being fired. Right. So I'm going to have to create a separate battle effects for the... No, don't open it in fucking Explorer. Monsters. I'll just call this Monster Battle FX. player. Oh, and also the player party member 0. Open this up. Give it an animator. Put this on here. Right. Animation, animator controller, player, damage, animator. Then I'm just going to create a dummy animation. Reset. Drag this in. Then I'll create the parameters as well. Slash vertical. Trigger called slash horizontal. Oops. No, not a float. Fire. Air. Earth. Water. Psychic. Ah, not a float. Almighty. Is dead. Reset. Okay, so that's our reset thing. So any state make transition from here, and conditions, reset trigger. Then we'll create a dummy state as well. Go on, this way. Okay, new state we'll call dummy. Create a new animation clip. Dummy. And then the animation bar, I just want to add an animation event at the start, which is going to be reset, add animation event, clickable entity, battle entity view, on animations finished, because, well, technically they haven't started yet, but shut up. Okay, and now we just need to make transitions of all of these into the dummy state. So done, done. Oh no, wait, it's this. Is there a multi-transition? No. Okay, no. Oh, fuck. Okay, this transition. Slash vertical, horizontal, fire, water, air, earth, psychic, almighty. This will probably just be a no, that's about it. It'll probably just be the character portrait going oof, and yeah, maybe dye it red a bit. Okay, doesn't have exit time. Okay, let's see how it works now. Hopefully it does. So we're waiting for the enemy to act. Oh. No, still nothing. Because we can't have nice things. Okay. Get rid of all this stuff clogging up the inspector. Not the inspector, the console. Right, what could it possibly be now? Oh, chat's not here. There we go. Right, what could possibly be up? Okay, animation, player damage animator, dummy. Why does reset have the dummy on animations finished? Oh, there's no function selected apparently. Okay, let's see if this works now. Nope, of course not. View animation finished, add listener, remove listener. On view animations finished, wait, unit task yield, view animations finished, invoke. Debug.log view animations finished. Oh, of course, if you defend, then there's no animation to finish. Fuck. No, wait, there should be, because this thing gets fired on incoming action. Oh no, but if it's not damaged, then... Oh, god damn it. Let me think. Obviously the thing needs to be an incoming action rather than the where it is now. So currently it's this, which incoming action will be posted onto model, and then this. That's the problem. What if I made this have a bool? If effect bar wait for animation equals false. If effect dot apply wait for animation equals true. This abstract is then going to be a bool. Whether to wait for an animation or not. And then if target.incoming action is on there. Okay, try this. It's still not going. Fuck. We are using the skill, but oh. Thing is that I just want this dummy animation to just fire off an event, but it just doesn't do that. It just fires off, yeah, on animations finished. Don't pass in anything. But it just doesn't fire. Entity view. Call this debug.log animations finished. Yeah, animation's finished just isn't popping. Doesn't say it in the... So why isn't it this firing? Unless, for some reason... No, not reset. Dummy. Dummy. Image. Color. Just add the key here. Move animation screen to there. Oh, battle entity view methods on animations finish. Yes. Okay, now let's try it. Nope, not working. Because fuck it. It should be in dummy states, so why are they all... Why are they all in... Why are they all in reset states? One of them should be put into dummy. Damage animation, yeah, that's been put in. Set trigger slash vertical slash set trigger, set trigger, set trigger. And there. Okay. Okay, member free. If damage animation is not null, which it isn't, switch on damage type, which is blunt, yes, set trigger slash vertical. Okay, it's member free. So it should be It should be in dummy, but it's in reset instead. Hang on. Am I doing this wrong? Unity animation conditions. If your transition has no conditions. If oh, the conditions must all be met before the transition is triggered. Then transition on on any condition. Any transition conditions is or possible, or you can add multiple transitions between the two animations, set them to be activated for different conditions. You may need to be more specific. Notice if they had the or option, just use multiple transitions to add another one. You simply add another transition, divide or from and, not a or not. Yeah, but that doesn't help it from using triggers though, does it? Okay, fine, get rid of all these then. We'll call this... Okay, so... drag the animator on here. Okay, we'll call, instead of dummy, this will be... slash vertical. And then we just basically dupe the whole thing. Oh, I'm gonna have to... No, wait. You stay slash hole. No. Blunt. We'll just call this slash. Pierce. None of the enemies do fire damage yet, so I can just have this as blunt. Oh wait, I need to add these. Okay, no wait, we'll just have this as slash vertical. No, just delete this then. And just have a transition back to reset, which has an exit time, but this one doesn't. Right, and then these all have dummy animation. Motion, whatever you want to call it. Might as well create the states while I'm here. Fire. Air. Water. Earth. Psychic. Almighty. And because I have to do this one by one, dummy. This is so bloody tedious. Okay. Please work. Okay, so animation's finished is being triggered, but then we're not awaiting it because why? Why is Visual Studio firing up again? Why do I have 2 instances of Visual Studio open? Come on, piss off. Okay, debug. Okay, so we are getting in animations finished here, but this view animations finished isn't being fired. I thought it was something stupid like this. Oh my god, it works. Okay, so we just need to put this fade out behavior back onto the prefab. Fade time 1. Then disable on end the resource bars. Wait, did that fade out? I forgot. Well, let's see how this looks out. Okay, so it is showing the resource bars. That's a good sign. Ah, it's not fading out. God damn it. That's because we're playing the damage animation. Await animation finished. Out fade behavior. See if this works. Nope, doesn't work. It's not fading out. Oh. If model dot entity alive, then do that, otherwise no, just fade out if. So essentially we're doing the same behavior as it was before, except we're doing it by code and with a second object because the animator just can't behave itself. Why is it not working? We know it's okay. We know it's on because this disable and end is playing, but then it's just not fading out. Is the animator overriding it? Fucking sake! It's a bloody. Then on show, damage animation dots enabled equals true. Hey! I mean, it doesn't play the actual damage animation, which it should, but I mean, it works. It works. Let's fix the rotation bug. Right. So, dungeon. Play dungeon symbol. Debug.log rotating rotating angle. Okay, so we're rotating 90 here. On monster encounter, which is that, but then hang on. This 180 is wrong. So my facing isn't down. I'm not facing downwards. I'm facing left, not down, so the facing's wrong. Okay, okay. This is why it was working the first time and then it wasn't working anything else. I just forgot to set facing. So okay, facing equals int facing plus clockwise quarter turns modulo 4. And wrap all this in a Oh no, it's a vector 2 int. Shit. No, wait, you can just wrap all that in a set facing. Okay, set facing cardinal direction. Cast int facing. No, because I can't cast it to a fucking int, can't I? Private void update facing. Then at the end of this thing, we go update facing. Okay. Hey, it now faces the right way. Okay. Okay, so I am facing the right way now, no matter which way I'm facing, which is good. Right, let's implement the wait and switch row things then, because I am sick to death of animations. Right. Wait effect factory. Okay, I'll put this here because I'm still not familiar with the structure of them. Create asset menu, file name equals wait effect factory, menu name equals effect factories, wait effect factory. Actually, it shouldn't do anything. This is just like a null thing. Yeah, wait shouldn't do anything. So why am I making it? Okay, let's work out the actual modifiers for weighting. Modifiers, models, materials. No, prefabs. So for defend, all I need to do is set the delay to 5,000 and set weight to 2,000? 2,500? Yeah, right. No, 2,000. And then it shouldn't have any effects, so we can just delete this. Okay. Let's try and check. Okay, so we wait, and yeah, it sets it to 2,054. And that block is, yeah. Right. I'm going to defend the defend effect. Defend 0, this one. Multiplying the duration for 5,000. Then, hang on. Well, hang on. This entity action, we have the caster target and skill here, so this action isn't really, because we can just have this as the active skill and then go from there, but oh well. I wonder, what if we did this? No. One, two, three, four, five. We generate 5 random numbers. Actually, no, 5's a bit excessive. We'll generate 3, and then if it turns out that we need more, we can do that normally. Are all those codes inside the assets folder? Yes, they are. Anything you see in here is in the assets folder. So hang on, I'll So yeah, all of this is the assets folder, and that includes the scripts. Or rather, we can just generate a role. No. We'll need to get the... Where's the damage effect factory? Roll 0. Roll 0 is less than base accuracy. Data dot. Base accuracy. If is hit, then do all this. And then if I want to have any additional effects, I'd have to sort of calculate the accuracy on there, because... No, wait. If I have it like it's a 90% chance to hit and a 30% chance to roll, then I don't need to. I can use the same thing number for the roll because the player's not going to work that out. It's only if I have multiple effects, like if there's a 30% chance to inflict burn and a separate 30% chance to inflict poison, that might come into. That might be a bit of a worry. Or what I could do is I could generate one roll for each effect and go from there. Yeah, because then you'd have a damage effect and the apply poison effect. So then in the entity presenter, the model incoming action effect dot apply random dot value. The get effects, and also so these get effects we don't need it of the roll either. We only need it in apply. And for this, where the roll just applies anyway, we just don't need to put it in. Yeah, I think that's probably a better way of doing it. Okay. So we've accidentally programmed wait, so now we need to do the switch row effect. So we'll put in switch row effect factory. No, not battle effect factory, damage effect factory, just so. Okay. switch row effect factory. How long have I been going? 2 hours. Shouldn't do anything. Public class. If target dot is in front row, target dot set row, target dot move to back row, else target dot move to front row. Okay. Private sets. public void move to front row. If not is in front row. Is in front row equals true. Row switch dot invoke true. Else. No, wait. Public void move to back row. If is in back row. If not is in back row. If is in front row is true. Okay, so that's the switch row thing. Then we just need to put it in the entity presenter. Model dot row switched dot add as listener on row switched. To front row. View dot move to front. No, view dot move to row. Right. Private I enumerator. Private rect transform row display. Move row coroutine. Bool. No. Int target y class. Actually, no. If row display is not null, row display dot move to row to front row, then instead of this being a rect transform, we'll have a entity row display, and then this will be in battle entities view, entity row display, private int ypos at in back equals 0, private int ypos in front equals 50. Start pos equals transform dot position, and pos equals new vector 2. Transform dot position dot x to front row, y pos in front, y pos in back, start pos, no, this will be 0. Private I enumerator, move coroutine. Actually no, let's use unitask. Private cancellation token source CTS end equals private float move time equals 0.25. Move this one goes in front. CTS far end equals time dot time not plus move time while end not time dot time is less than end. CTS dot throw if cancellation requested. Oh no, wait. Token dot throw if cancellation requested. Unitask dot yield. Start equals time dot time. Vector free start pause. Vector free end pause. Transform dot position equals vector free dot lerp. Start position, end position, time dot time minus start divided by move time. What am I missing? Oh no, oh wait. There we go. Or maybe not. Yes. There we go. Okay, so it's this character status display that moves. To 50 and then moves back down if it's okay. Alright, entity row display. That's fine. Let's see if this works. Oh, okay, they're not switching rows. Doesn't seem to be any errors being thrown. Prefab skills, basic, switch row. Doesn't even have a switch row effect, that's why nothing's happening. Ah. I really probably should be using game objects instead of situation, because if it doesn't necessarily need to transform, but it does need a hierarchy. I'm gonna try seeing if there's prerequisites for the skill as scriptable objects, but it might just be that this thing here is just going to get cluttered, like switch row prereq 0, switch row 1, switch row 0, effect 0, attack 0, you know, and all that. I think I might be able to get away with it. And then have like a sort of composite prerequisite. Okay. So it's still not working. Okay. Oh, it's because I still need to, yeah, row display. Okay, row display equals get component in children. Entity row display. Okay, they're moving. Except now that they're on the very, very bottom of the thing, which I don't want. So the character state display, it's at 50 now. But then... Okay, so... Number 0... 50... And the one that isn't is at... 0. Local position, that's why. The hell? That is way too much. 25, maybe? No, it's still too much. $200. This is 0, 50. Oh no, it's still 50. So where are we getting 200 from? Hang on, member 5. Shino. It goes from 50 to 200. Oh. Is it under a scale or something like that? Just don't know why I'm just saying 0 to 200, then it just moves up like it's... Huh. Okay, so this is fine. Padding's fine. Code says say just goes up to 150, even though it's specifically here 50. Not 150. Transform.local position equals end pos. I mean, that isn't going to work. Nope. Wait a minute. The dungeons being a fucking... Okay, but that doesn't explain why. Okay, let's try and have a look at the... How is start pos minus 150? Transform.local position .x minus 150. 0 minus 150, 0. 0, yeah. 50. Zero minus 150, 0, 50. Huh. But the entity row display says it's 50. Not. Oh, is that minus the height? Oh, hang on. It's the anchored position, I'm guessing, that I want. Okay. Var rect tf equals get component rect transform. Private rect transform. Rect tf. And then void awake. Rect tf equals that. No, it's anchored position. Okay. Hey, it's working. Okay, that's good. Now I just need them to have the whatchamacallit. Set the is in front row at the start of battle. So we've got the sensitive model here, on here, and then I just give them the dungeon. Okay, so Regis and Flayan? Regis Flayan. So, oh no, 0, 3, and 5 need to be in the front row. Okay, for now, I'm going to serialize this. Okay, this one is in front row, 3 and 5. Hey, okay, it works. Good. Okay, so I think I've done everything that I wanted to do today. I'll probably should I implement the bonuses, the defense bonuses for the other things? Probably going to need to get an enemy party as well. Yeah, because we're going to need to count how many's in the... Wait, where are the monsters being placed? Monster models. Why is it creating that many? Okay, now there's just the one. Okay, one Lamia clone. So when I move into them like this. Oh, okay. That's a bug. That's definitely a bug. Right. Right. Yeah, okay, let's have a go at fixing this then. Is it the multiple battles being start? Hang on, let me just try debug.log battle started. Yeah, the battle started a lot. Okay. So I need to work out where. So it's this monster encounter that's getting fired a lot. On monster encounter. Player input. If the cell contains monster symbol, then do that, but then move player, otherwise I wait dungeon. Dungeon manager dot, no, not dungeon manager, movable behavior. Dungeon symbol dot lock move. Wait, where does this? Right. Dungeon symbol dot lock move. Movement locked equals true. And we'll just change this to public set. That should fix that, but then there's also when we come out of battle here. No, it's set. Player movement locked. through. Dungeon Manager set movement player locked to false. This will just be player dungeon symbol. Set V to new state. And there, and then where did I put this before? Get rid of this. Because then on battle starts the thing, so let's have a look. And yeah, only one Lamia clone's been set, even though I've held the thing down. Okay. Okay, so that's everything that I wanted to do this stream and more. So we've done all the basic skills now. So yeah, that'll do it. I'll do the Git stuff tomorrow morning. I just don't think it'd be that interesting too much. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you are in the world.